One of my subscribers of my Danish Facebook group, he actually asked me how to enable point of interest on his drone. The drone that he's using is the Mini 3 Pro, and this is the Mini 4 Pro. So there is really no difference in the way that you do that. So you basically just drag a square to enable point of interest on the screen here, and then remove the counter here, and then you can just press the point of interest here in the corner, like this, and then you can press go, and then it will start to rotate around the object. It's a little bit different than how they did it in the past, but I find it very easy way to operate this feature, and I can just pull this slider to the other side if I wanted to change direction. This was just a little side thingy, just to service one of my members from the Danish community. While I was airborne, I could still I could just do that.